Hey guys, what's going on? We have got a new little project here. Toyota Corolla S. It's an 07 model. What we're going to be doing is parting it out. As you can see, it's wrecked in the front. Got hit pretty hard. Little head-on collision. They hydroplaned. As you can see, the tires are pretty walled. So, not sure what all's good under the hood, but we're gonna check everything out, figure it all out. But as you can see, most of these body panels look fine. Like I said, it's an 07 Toyota Corolla S. Taillights both look good. Trunk lid's good. Bumper, not so much. Got a little hole right here. But maybe the crash bar behind it's good. I know these little guys down here, those are good. Got a good fuel tank door. We definitely got some good parts on the car. These wheels are junk. You can see they're kind of very corroded in here. I'm not sure why they're so corroded, almost like they got really hot or something, but this skirt over here, it looks pretty good too. Kind of come off there a little bit, but that's no big deal. That fender is obviously junk. Mirrors are good. Front end, let me climb up here on my trailer. Oh! You can kind of peek in there and you can see the engine's on the side that wasn't hit quite so hard. And looks like there's a possibility it may be good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this car apart. I'm going to start with the front, see what's good, see what's not, and go from there. Start selling some of these parts off of this, try to make my money back, which I'm sure I will. I don't got much to make up. It was very, very cheap. I bought it from a coworker, so that's what we're going to be doing. So yeah, not bad. Open it up here. Still got a little bit of debris in here, but you can see these door panels are good. Good radio in it, good heating and air. It's got the Corolla S speedo cluster. I'm not positive if those are different from the other ones or not, but it does have white face gauges, so I don't know if that's special or not. Good seats, got a couple stains in it, not too big a deal. Good center console, good passenger airbag also. Okay, and back seat looks really good. Doesn't really hardly look like anybody sat in it. Got a little gremlin there on the floor. Not sure what he is. Headliner, a little dirty. We probably won't mess with it anyway. But that's what we got. I know the rear suspension is good. Not sure if this is going to be any good or not. Might be, might not be, who knows. But anyway,
I'm running inside with it. I'm gonna start dinner.
completely separated right there. So I'd show you guys that.
Hey. I'm crazy. I put the pizza in the freezer last night. It's
So my girlfriend just told me that she put the pizza that we just had for dinner last night in the freezer. I'm trying to be quiet and not tell you guys, but figure I'd hook her up.
thanks. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
And it wasn't store-bought pizza.
We need a fan for a Corolla. Alright guys, pardon the kids next door, they're outside playing. But, alright, so, let me get my old butt back up here on this trailer. And before it gets dark, I got the front end off, and this is what we got. As you guys can see, looks promising. I think this motor might still be good. I'm not sure about the transmission yet, but nothing but the radiator actually touched the front of the engine. So we should still be pretty good. Transmission, I mean, it doesn't look like it got hit real hard either. A little corroded, but like I said, it doesn't look too bad. Even the AC compressor still looks good. Intake's got a hole in it, but that's okay. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the first teardown video. Front of the car is off, and that's what we got so far. All right, we'll see you guys later.